This is great.
Hello there, all you wonderful people of the internet. It is Wednesday, and I'm just actually sitting on the computer editing. Miss Ari just woke up from her nap, and she does have a passy, and I don't know what is going on with her. She's just been so cranky lately when she wakes up from naps, where like she won't stop crying for like 30 minutes plus after she wakes up. And it doesn't happen every day, but a lot of days it does, where she'll just wake up and for some reason just she will not stop crying. And this was even like I got her to stop crying, like I even gave her the pacifier and she didn't stop crying, and I had to put on PJ Masks and let her cuddle me in order for her to stop crying. She wouldn't eat anything, she wouldn't drink anything, nothing was working. And she's done this like since before we took the pacifier away too. Like, I don't know what the deal is. So she doesn't fully have the pacifier taken away yet, but pretty much 80% of the time I would say it's gone. During the day whenever she's awake, she usually does not have it unless like I'm trying to use it to get her to calm down or something like that, and she does still have it for bedtime. But like we've been going out without it, so like we've taken her out and gone to the mall and to the store and not taken one with. She's been doing really good. But I just don't know why she keeps waking up from naps and she's so upset. She seems like something's hurting. I did film like some of it. I was so sad today. Baby girl. Are you thirsty?
No, no.
I don't know what you're saying. Does your ear hurt?
No.
She kept like pointing at her ear, but she kept telling me her ear didn't hurt. So I don't know. She's walking in my shoes. Are you walking in mommy's shoes? You are funny.
Oh.
Hey Ravi, are you mad at me about the candy thing? You're mad at me?
No, I was sad when you take all of my candy and it was in your bin and you put it all back in my bin.
I did. Thanks for being a good trooper. Not going to lie, I felt a bit guilty for doing that to her. I didn't expect her to get so upset. I really thought she'd just be sad and then just would kind of just be like, whatever. But she got really mad. Not mad, she got sad. But I was really proud of like the little conversation at the end with her telling me that I could have some, just not all of it. And I did ask her and I explained to her, like, people you don't know are gonna see this. And I explained to her and she was like, yeah, it's fine. And she thought it was hilarious to watch it back. We watched it back a few times, so she was okay with it being posted. Cool it off. Yeah. Nah, I'm Wonder Woman.
Mommy's always Wonder Woman.
Hi, woman, mama.
Hi.
Hi. I have milk, woman.
Oh.
I should show off my milk, woman. Look, everything out of my food, woman.
I see that.
You're so cute.
You're very good at eating all your food.
Bobo.
Bowl. Blue bowl?
Bo bo bo. Bo bo bo.
No, you have a blue bowl.
Bo bo ba. Bo bo ba.
Okay.
Nay!
Moo.
You guys are funny. So we've seen a couple people doing the Halloween candy taste test challenge, which basically means put a blindfold on, taste the candy, and see if you can figure out what candy it is. So we have cut all of them up into bite-sized pieces so that it's like not as easy to tell what it is. We're doing mainly chocolate since that is like the actual difficult one to figure out. But then we threw in some nerds too to see if we could tell the difference between the strawberry and the grape. So, Ryan, I think it's gonna go first.
Okie dokie.
I think it's gonna be you.
You think I'm gonna win or Daddy's gonna win?
I think it's gonna be you.
What about me?
Rule is, you have to open your mouth and chew right away, okay? Ready? Chew. Daisy, cut it out.
Milky Way.
Or the Milky Way.
Yep.
Number 2.
Butterfinger. Snickers.
Why are you opening your mouth? That's gross.
I was waiting for it.
Oh, I thought you were trying to show me your empty mouth. I was like, oh,
No.
your...
Twix.
Butterfinger. I can't even taste it yet. The texture.
Yeah, that texture hits you right
Yeah.
away. Oh my goodness, no. When I said Milky Way, I meant Three Musketeers.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Kit
I'll
Kat.
show you too, please. Can we show you?
Yeah, no.
And this is Milky Way.
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna chew and swallow.
It's taking so long.
You're impatient. Tears Ari crying.
Reese's.
Okay. But this is too easy. Maybe we should guess the Skittle flavor.
Maybe, cause yeah, I mean, with the chocolate, they all have different textures and different things in them, so it makes it much easier to guess what it is.
It's time for Skittles. We're gonna step it up and actually make it difficult.
Yep, I'll go first.
Okay, I am gonna move these around. I'm gonna make it that easy.
Go.
Here, if you want to drink water, water. Still not get over.
Red. Is that green or yellow? Green.
Next.
This one's green. The last one was yellow.
Okay, you can't change stuff. That one's green, okay. Are you done?
No, this is grape. This has gotta be purple.
Okay, choose.
Okay, this is purple. This is grape. Okay, this is like really mind-bending. This is gonna be orange. Orange.
Okay, you're done.
No, this is yellow. This is so trippy.
Orange was the second one. The one that
Was
you were
it?
insisting was either green or yellow. I had to try not to bust out laughing.
So I was wrong about all of them but the first one.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
This one's definitely got a
Though,
bit more of a
you always
challenge.
eat them all together.
Yeah.
Don't you? I don't.
Yeah, that is true. You always eat them one color at a time, so.
Grape. Orange. Oh. Wait a minute. No, that's orange. Is that orange? Oh, give me another. Dark red. Green. Yellow.
You flip these two.
Dang it! Yeah, now it tastes a little more orange. That was better than you.
You did a lot better than me. You didn't second guess every other one. Okay, so we know that my Skittle taste buds are not up to Skittle par.
So that adds quite a bit of footage to the vlog, so we're gonna end it. We hope you enjoyed this little added fun part of taste testing candy.
If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new.
And as always, we will see your wonderful, fabulous, beautiful faces, but not really, we don't see your faces, so I don't know why we always have you see our faces tomorrow. And we'll see your faces if you have a picture in the comments. Bye.
Bye.